AI Fill Image AI is a revolutionary tool that's taking the AI world by storm, and today we're going to cover 7 critical things you need to know before you dive in. If you're looking for a way to enhance your digital projects or simply curious about how this new AI tool works, you're in the right place. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. First off, let me tell you, AI Fill Image AI is a game changer when it comes to editing images, and it's the best AI software for creative professionals just released. Whether you're a designer, content creator, or marketer, this tool could save you hours of tedious work. You can try AI Fill Image for completely free, and I'll link it below, so stick around for that. Now, let's get into the nuts and bolts of this software and why you need to pay attention. The first thing to know about AI Fill Image AI is that it specializes in intelligently filling in missing parts of your images. Let's say you have a picture with a missing portion, or you want to seamlessly extend an image. This AI tool uses its advanced algorithms to fill in the gaps with contextually relevant content. The results are shockingly accurate, like something you'd expect from a professional editor, not an AI. This software essentially makes image editing feel effortless. Secondly, the speed of AI Fill Image is impressive. Unlike traditional editing software, where you have to manually adjust layers, backgrounds, and content, this AI tool works in a fraction of the time. It auto-generates a complete image in just a few seconds, saving you valuable time, especially when working with large batches of photos. Speed is a major advantage for digital marketers or social media managers who need to scale up their content creation process. What about the ease of use? Well, AI Fill Image couldn't be more user-friendly. There's no steep learning curve. It's designed to be intuitive, so even if you're a beginner, you can jump right in. Just upload your image, select the areas you want filled in, and let AI do the magic. It's that simple. One of the most exciting things about AI Fill Image AI is the flexibility it offers. You can use it for a wide range of applications. Whether you're working on product photos for e-commerce, creating marketing materials, or even enhancing old photographs, this software works across multiple industries. The diverse use cases really make it stand out from other AI tools. But what about customization? AI Fill Image allows you to fine-tune the results. While the AI is extremely accurate, you can adjust the fill to your liking. This makes it ideal for those who want to retain full creative control while still benefiting from AI's power. It's a fantastic balance between automation and customization. Another major highlight is the continuous improvement of the tool. The more you use AI Fill Image, the better it becomes at understanding what you're looking for. As you add more images and refine your inputs, the AI adapts, ensuring that your content will always look its best. Now, you might be wondering, what about pricing? While AI Fill Image offers a free trial, it also has affordable pricing plans that are perfect for freelancers and businesses alike. With its advanced capabilities, it offers a lot of value compared to other image editing tools out there, and its pricing is highly competitive for the quality you get in return. In conclusion, AI Fill Image AI is undoubtedly one of the best AI tools released recently. It's fast, easy to use, and incredibly versatile, making it an excellent choice for anyone who needs efficient image editing. If you want to try it for free, just click the first link in the description below. And if you're looking for other AI software tools I recommend, check the links below. I've tried thousands, and these are the ones that truly stand out. Try AI Fill Image for free and see for yourself how it can revolutionize your image editing process today.